guys, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to emboss on a mirror. Let's see how that turns out. Let's get started. What I did is I just took a frame with the mirror. It had already been painted up. Someone had painted this up. And I removed the mirror, and I'm just going to put that aside for right now. And this is what we're going to put our project on. What we need to do is start with our watermark stamp ink, and this is kind of like a sticky clear ink. Now I've done some other videos with it. If you need to get more information, you can go back and scroll through some of the other videos. I get a little more detail. So I am going to put this on this vine. And I'm just going to press it down carefully, not letting it slide. I'm going to lift this up. I am using extra fine black embossing powder, but you could use any color you would like. So what I'm going to do is these little excess pieces here, I'm just going to carefully use a brush and get them off. Because anything that's left on here, when you emboss it, it's going to heat emboss, any little extra specks. I'm actually gonna put my letters on next, because this isn't gonna go anywhere as long as I don't smudge it. And we're doing the word joy. Line them up. Start with the O, so I know it's in the center here. So I am just stamping this with Versamark again. And I have these just sitting there just so I don't forget where I'm at. I'm not smudging it too much. And I want my Y to attach to my O. You just don't want to slide your stamp. Otherwise, anywhere that ink goes, you're going to have Versamark powder sticking to it. You don't have a long time, but you do have like a minute or two before the ink will really start to dry, where the powder won't stick to it. But you do have a little bit of time. So any of the excess from the letters, I'm just going to brush away again also. Okay, now we are going to emboss it. Now that since it's on glass, especially a mirror, you want to make sure you're laying it flat. You don't want to be holding it in your hand because it takes longer to heat emboss glass or thicker items. So you don't want it to crack and break. So I'm just going to lay it flat and do it right here. And it does take a little bit longer. Cool for just a second. Okay guys, so I got the frame put on it and got it done. But let me tell you, if you're gonna wax your frame and you have your mirror set in there, don't drop your can of wax on the mirror. So I don't know if you can see. Yep, I cracked it. Sorry, but I really wanted to show you the project. It really works well on glass. Just don't drop anything on your mirror when you're done doing your project. But I hope you enjoyed this anyway, and I hope you try some heat embossing on glass, and I'll see you guys soon.